Hey, what's up everybody? Stephen Billington with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. And today I'm here to talk about bait organization in my kayak. Before I jump into it, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button and then definitely leave me a like. Honestly, even if you dislike the video, you can hit the dislike, just engage with it somehow. I like having the feedback, so there's that. There's my little 10-second spiel. Make sure you subscribe. So one of the things I get asked a lot by people who watch the videos or people at boat ramps or people looking to get into kayak fishing is, how do you organize and store all of your baits in a kayak? Well, for me, it's pretty straightforward. I have two primary ways that I do that, and I'm going to show them both to you. So let's jump right into it. All right, so the vast majority of my baits are in my Yak Attack black pack. This particular black pack is the 16x16 model. It is the biggest one that Yak Attack makes. Unfortunately, they don't have any plans to make a bigger one because the Pro Angler has room for a bigger one, and I'd really like to have a bigger one. So let's open this up. So you'll notice it's pretty full. Actually, when my flag is in there, it's very full. So the first thing that I have is all of my soft plastics. They're all organized by type, and they're in these bags. These are called, for those of you who don't know, these are called money bags. They're big zipper bags. They also have a seal, like a Ziploc seal. I don't bother pushing that thing together because the black pack's pretty waterproof. So you just open up with the zipper. So I have all my crawls inside this one. And then I have another bag. This has my pad tails and my fish type lures in it, like my gillies, my jackall, what do they call those things? Bounty fish, my flukes. And I have a money bag with my worms in it. All these money bags are Bass Mafia. I really like these a lot. Like this one says Mallard Mafia on it. I think all three of these say Mallard Mafia on them. Then I've got some Plano boxes in the lake, okay? So these two here are the Plano Edge boxes. These are the jig boxes. I love these boxes. You'll spend a little bit of money on them, but they come with these customizable inserts. You can move them around, add some, take some. I've pulled a couple out. They've got a moisture absorber in here that you can move around and refresh. And so this one's holding all, well, not all, but a big chunk of my bladed jigs. Like all my slobber knockers are on this side. The only thing I don't like about the Plano Edge boxes is this latch. It could have been done better, but I digress. So that one's got my chatterbaits. This one's the same thing. It's got jigs. I got top water in this one. I've got crankbaits in that one. I've got hooks and beads and jig heads and all that like in that one. And I've got some frogs in that one. So up here under my seat, I've got what I call the junk drawer. And I have a separate video for the junk drawer somewhere. Everything's a mess. I was fishing today. So I've got a knife. My braid scissors are usually sitting in there, but they're up here on the front. I was doing something. Some swim jigs. You can tell this is just kind of where stuff lands when I cut it off. Like there's a deep diving crankbait there because I cut it off. These two plastics are old and worn out, but I'm saving all my plastics for making lures. So that's the bottom drawer. And the top drawer, I've got spinner baits. My go-to money badgers that I'm using all the time, GoPro batteries, and then whatever's in the back there. So as you can see, this is just a fraction of the stuff that I have. And I rotate it all the time. Like, that's why my jig and chatterbait boxes don't look all that full, because I have a ton. But I have some that I don't take with me all the time. I have my favorites, obviously. I have some for like bank fishing. So I don't carry everything that I own all the time. I try to stay, I don't know if you can call this lightweight. There's really a lot of stuff there, but I stay fairly lightweight when I'm out on the water. but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. I really, really love the Black Pack. It's hands down the best crate I've ever had, and I have built a lot of crates over the years. Guys, I've been kayak fishing for 28 years. 28 years. So I have done, if it's DIY, I've done it, okay? I remember when Yak Attack wasn't a thing. I remember when Yak Attack was getting made out of a garage and they were just starting to hit the scene, and we're like, okay, this is something different. So the Black Pack is no exception. So I really love the Black Pack. I love my Plano Edge jig boxes, and I love my Mallard Mafia money bags. They are money. That's why they're called money bags. But this was a short video, so I'm going to keep it short. That's how I organize when I'm out on the water. So I hope these tips help you out, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you do to organize out on the water. I'm always looking for new ideas. So until next time, guys, tight lines. We'll see ya.